Okay, so today, to deepen your connection with food a little bit, you're going to only be able to eat foods that you've seen the whole plant of in real life, okay? So this one will be about plants only. So we're eating plants only today. That's part of it, part of the challenge, right? How does that feel? Is that frustrating? Do you feel like you'll be undernourished? Like, whatever. I assure you won't. It's just one day, but whatever. What are the feelings that come up? And a plant that you've seen the whole plant of in real life, like if you're eating a hazelnut, it has to be that you've seen the whole hazelnut bush, okay? Not just I've like cracked those hazelnuts before and I know what the outer shell looks like, but no, have you seen the whole bush, and has it been in real life? Because if you're wanting to eat wheat, and you're like, no, I know what wheat looks like. Is it in pictures that you've seen it? Is it like that little image, the little sort of icon image that always shows up when people are talking about wheat that you've seen it? Or have you seen it in real life? Have you been standing next to the plant? Because if not, it doesn't count, right? So plants that you have seen in real life, whole plant of. And what does that do? Does it really narrow your choices like crazy? I mean, are you going to starve? Like, hopefully not, but try not to cheat. We're trying to actually make this be a real game that we're pushing ourselves to do and really feel, right? So does it make it that your food is more local? Because I've seen that because, it's right near where I live, but certainly I've never seen a mango tree because that's a tropical fruit and I haven't seen that or whatever. Okay. I mean, it does kind of interestingly maybe force you to eat more local, but it also calls into your awareness how many plants you've seen, how much of your food you're actually connected to. When were those times? Did they all happen when you were a kid and you haven't seen any since, or are they all happening now in adulthood because you were never given any information about the food that you were eating as a kid? It was just like, I don't even know. I'm just like eating food that's got the color and the consistency on my plate, and just let it inform you. This is what this is. It's like, what is our relationship to food like? What is that connection like? How can it be different? How do we want it to be different? Do we like it exactly as it is? But it's just, experimenting and asking ourselves questions about how connected we are to the food that we eat. So try it out. See what you've got. Hopefully you have something to eat tonight. I think corn's a pretty safe one. Almost everybody's been like in a corn maze or something, right? So you've seen corn. But anyway, just that's a little tip in case you're like, what am I going to eat? All right, have fun with it.